Hello friends, I am Mayur Limbachiya, welcomes you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to see the different logic gates, which is very important topic of standard 12 physics. You have one chapter, semiconductor material. In that chapter you will find this topic, and which is very important for the academic purpose. So please keep focus and understand what I am going to explain. So let's get start with the logic gate. Students, there are 5 gates you have to study in this chapter, which is NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. To explain or to describe these 5 types of gate, you have to require or you have to write down these 3 parameters, or you can explain all of these 5 gates by help of these 3 parameters. So what is this parameter? This parameter is symbol. It means you have to draw the symbol of gate. You have to write down the Boolean expression of the particular gate, and you have to explain or you have to mention a truth table of that particular gate. So let's understand the first gate, NOT gate. So here is the explanation about the NOT gate. The first parameter or the explanation is symbol. You have to draw the symbol of NOT gate. The symbol of NOT gate is like this. This is the input A, this is output Y. If you are aware about the symbol of diode, just you have to replace this vertical bar with the bubble. This bubble indicates that the input will be inverted. So whatever the input you will apply here, the output will be the inverted input. Okay, so this is the symbol of NOT gate. The second is Boolean expression. Boolean expression is nothing but the mathematical representation of that gate. The relation between input and output, which is explained or which is described by in terms of mathematical way. The third one is the truth table. So what is the truth table? Truth table is nothing but the explanation or the relation between the input and output. If you apply any kind of input, according to that input, what kind of output you will get, it will shown by the truth table. So hope you understand these 3 parameters. And the fourth, which is only for the understanding purpose, you did not have to write down these in your examination. You have to only write down these 3 parameters for each and every gate. So this is only for the sake of understanding. Okay, so here I represent this gate by the means of electrical circuit. So this is the electrical circuit, and using this electrical circuit we can explain the working of the NOT gate. So we will see each and every parameters in detail. So first is symbol. As I say, this is the input A, this is the output A. This bubble will represent the inverted input. Boolean expression. So whenever you apply input, output will be the inverted form of input. So here the Boolean expression can be written as y is equal to A, and above it there is one bar which represent the inverted input. So truth table, here is the input A, here is output A, which is inverted input. So whenever I apply 0 here, you will get a inverted input, means inverted form of 0, which is 1, and when you apply 1 here, you will get 0, because the output is nothing but the inverted input. Inverted means 1, then you get 0. If you apply 0, you will get 1. So this is nothing but the inverted input. So how can you explain this gate, working of this gate with the help of electrical circuit? So to represent that, I have taken voltage source, one switch. Switch is acting as a input, which is denoted by A. Here is the third part is LED, which is acting as an output in this scenario. So we are going to explain the truth table with the help of this electrical circuit. So what we have to going to do? We have to first apply the input by means of on and off the switch. Once you on the switch, it means input is 1. When you off the switch, it means input is 0. Fine. And according to that, you will get the output. It means LED will on and off, which represent the output 1 and 0. Okay. So see, when you open the switch, the first switch is open. If the switch is open, what happens? The current which is passing or which is coming out from the voltage source will not go through this switch, it will go through the LED, and because of that LED will glow. It means LED get on. So what is the status? Status is 1. When you open the switch, LED on, it means output is 1. So the second input 1, it means you have to close the switch. Once you close the switch, it means input is 1. That time what happens? The current which is flowing, coming out from the voltage source will go through this switch and it will not go through the LED. So LED will becomes off. It will not glow. Fine. So if the LED is off, it means output is 0. So when you close the switch, it means apply the input. This means input is 1. LED will off. It means output is 0. So by means of this, we can explain any type of gates by the electrical circuit. So I will explain each and every gate by this. So please stay tuned, subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends and support me so I can upload each and every topic every day on my channel. Again, thank you very much for the watching. Now we meet in the next lecture. Till now, bye.